I'm at Unanderra here. We have the 82 class approaching. We also have the Kiama picnic train heading back to Central and an 8-car Oscar as well. So the run number of the freight train is 3922. We have the 81 class with the cement train. And the steam train is coming very soon. I forgot the run number, but I said it before, so. Here it comes. We have the 81 class approaching and the steam train is coming soon. Hey!
On platform 1 goes to Kiama, first stop Kepler Grange Racecourse, then Dapto, Albion Park.
8144 and 8250. Oh, and I can see the steam train. Oh, the steam train is coming. Cement Australia. I know the steam train's coming. I'm not sure where that's going. And perfect timing. We have this steam train over there. The Kiama picnic train returning to Central. You can just get another view of the... Now we got the steam train.
Gassing half of Unanderra.
Oh, you're too close to the edge, Lucas. Move back, for God's sake.
I didn't bring my food. It's too dark now. It's almost the mountain's gone behind. The sun's gone behind the mountain.
Alright.
What we have coming up is the steam train.
It's called the Kiama picnic train, Lucas.
Okay, it's the Kiama
Returning
picnic train.
returning to Central. 5917 and 42103.
Yeah, I know my brother.
Oh, wow. Yeah, it's stopping.
Oh!
At the back we have...
Whoa, look at all that luxury.
It's not luxury, it's just the old carriages, Lucas.
But it has all the stuff.
Oh my God! Oh, and there's the 8-car Oscar coming. Alright, let's stop there. Here we got H45. Alright. H45 there. Got H45 and H34. stop is Kembla Grange Racecourse, followed by Dapto, Albion Park, Oak Flat, Shellharbour Junction, Minamara, Bombo and Kiama. Oh yeah. At the back we have 42103 and there's chips. That's all my brother cares about there. We have 42103. Oh damn it, he didn't see me. Lucas. Oh yeah. That was very nice.
Bye-bye, train.
Lucas, please don't. That's very
See you
cringy.
again another day. And hopefully get
Lucas, stop being so cringy.
There's chips in there.
That's exactly. That's all my
Wait,
brother.
it's magnetic. Because there's a magnet. Yeah, this fixed it.
Oh yeah, let's go.
Yeah.
Oh, that was very nice. Next up is Wollongong, followed by Sutherland and Hurstville, then Central.